Most of us don't grasp the variety of animal species that inhabit the Earth today, and some even get surprised as they find out there are some cool animals they haven't heard of before. But seriously now, out of 1,367,555 identified non-insect animal species that live on Earth today, how do you expect to know every single one of them? To put it into perspective, this number represents only 1% of all animal species that have ever lived. Not to mention the depths of our oceans, where there's probably even more weird-looking animals waiting to be discovered. Scientists themselves keep observing new species every year and admit that modern science is not familiar with all of the strange animals existing today. This leaves room to such unique and even bizarre discoveries we cover in this video. We have put together a selection of such unheard of creatures and weird animals as a pink fairy armadillo, star-nosed mole, and eye. So let's get acquainted with the strangest animals there are, and consider yourself warned as not all of them are super cute and fluffy. Pink fairy armadillo, or Pichiciego, is the smallest species of armadillo, recognized by a bony armor shell, first described by Richard Harlan. This solitary, desert-adapted animal is endemic to central Argentina and can be found inhabiting sandy plains, dunes, and scrubby grasslands. The maned wolf is a large canine of South America. Its markings resemble those of foxes, but it is neither a fox nor a wolf. It is the only species in the genus Chrysacean, meaning golden dog. Tufted deer is a small species of deer characterized by a prominent tuft of black hair on its forehead and fang-like canines for the males. It is a close relative of the muntjac, living somewhat further north over a wide area of central China and northeastern Myanmar. Patagonian mara is a relatively large rodent in the mara genus Dolichotes. It is also known as the Patagonian cavy, Patagonian hare, or dillaby. This herbivorous, somewhat rabbit-like animal is found in open and semi-open habitats in Argentina, including large parts of Patagonia. Naked mole rat, also known as the sand puppy, is a burrowing rodent native to parts of East Africa. It is closely related to the bless moles and is the only species in the genus Heterocephalus of the family Heterocephalidae. Irrawaddy dolphin is a species of oceanic dolphin found in discontinuous subpopulations near sea coasts and in estuaries and rivers in parts of the Bay of Bengal and Southeast Asia. It closely resembles the Australian snubfin dolphin. The gerenuk, also known as the giraffe gazelle, is a long-necked antelope found in the Horn of Africa and the drier parts of East Africa. The sole member of the genus Litocranius, the gerenuk was first described by the naturalist Victor Brooke in the 1800s. It is characterized by its long, slender neck and limbs. Dugong is a marine mammal. It is one of 4 living species of the order Sirenia, which also includes 3 species of manatees. It is the only living representative of the once diverse family Dugongidae. Its closest modern relative, Steller's sea cow, was hunted to extinction in the 18th century. The babirusa, also called deer pigs, are a genus, Babirusa, in the swine family found in the Indonesian islands of Sulawesi, Tojen, Sula and Buru. Lamprey are an ancient extant lineage of jawless fish. The adult lamprey may be characterized by a toothed, funnel-like sucking mouth. The common name lamprey is probably derived from Latin lampetra, which may mean stone liquor. The fossa is a carnivorous mammal that is endemic to Madagascar. It is a member of the Eupleridae, a family of carnivorans closely related to the mongoose family Herpistidae. Star-nosed mole is a small mole found in moist, low areas in the northern parts of North America. It is the only member of the tribe having a touch organ with more than 25,000 minute sensory receptors, known as Eimer's organs, with which this hamster-sized mole feels its way around. Sunda colugo, or Sunda colugo, also known as the Malayan flying lemur or Malayan colugo, is a species of colugo. Until recently, it was thought to be one of only 2 species of flying lemurs, the other being the Philippine flying lemur, which is found only in the Philippines. Zebra duica is a small antelope found primarily in Liberia, as well as the Ivory Coast, Sierra Leone, and occasionally Guinea. They are sometimes referred to as the banded duica or striped back duica. It is believed to be one of the earliest duica species to have evolved. Yeti crab kiwa is a genus of marine decapods living at deep-sea hydrothermal vents and cold seeps. The animals are commonly referred to as Yeti lobsters or Yeti crabs after the legendary Yeti because of their hairy or bristly appearance. Superb bird of paradise is a genus of birds in the family Paradiseidae. After genetic analysis, officials have agreed to include the riflebirds. Blobfish, this family consists of bottom-dwelling marine sculpins shaped like tadpoles with large heads and bodies that taper back into small, flat tails. The skin is loosely attached and movable, and the layer underneath it is gelatinous. Cantor's giant soft-shelled turtle, also known as Cantor's giant soft-shelled turtle and the frog-faced soft-shelled turtle, is a species of freshwater turtle in the family Trionychidae. The species is native to Southeast Asia. The species is critically endangered and in the 20th century has disappeared from much of its former range. Bobijaboa is a species of rodent in the family Diplodidae. It is found in China and Mongolia. Its natural habitats are temperate grassland and temperate desert. Japanese spider crab is a species of marine crab that lives in the waters around Japan. It has the largest leg span of any arthropod. They go through 3 main larval stages along with a prosole stage in order to grow to their great size. And finally, the ii is a long-fingered lemur, a strapsirrhine primate native to Madagascar with rodent-like teeth that perpetually grow and a special thin middle finger. It is the world's largest nocturnal primate.